In question 17, we have to tick the correct answer from among the 4 options given to us, and we have to justify, we have to provide the reason for our answer. And here's what the question says. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. The angle B is which of these? 120 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 45 degrees. So here's what we are going to do. We are going to see if these 3 lengths, they satisfy the Pythagoras theorem or not. So we are going to find the sum of the squares of the smaller 2 lengths and see if it is equal to the square of the largest length. And if that is the case, then we will know that the triangle is a right angled triangle. So the smallest length among the 3 lengths, what are the 3 lengths? We have 6 root 3, we have 12, and we have 6. So the smallest length is 6, which is BC. So we know that BC is the smallest side, then AB is the next side, and then AC is the largest side. So if the 3 lengths satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, then AC will turn out to be our hypotenuse. Okay, so now let's find out the sum of the squares of the smaller 2 sides. So we have BC square plus AB square. So this will be equal to, BC is 6 centimeters, so we have 6 centimeter square, and then AB is 6 root 3 centimeter, so we have 6 root 3 centimeter square. Now 6 square is 36, so we get 36 centimeter square. And what is the square of 6 root 3? So 6 root 3 will be 6 root 3 square will be 6 root 3 into 6 root 3. So 6 into 6 is 36, root 3 into root 3 is 3, so 36 into 3 is 108. So this will be 108 centimeter square. And now we have 36 plus 108, which is 144. So we get 144 centimeter square, which is the square of 12 centimeter. And we see that 12 centimeter is the length of AC. So this is basically equal to AC square. So we have obtained the conclusion that the 3 lengths do satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. And this means that triangle ABC is a right angled triangle or a right triangle. And what will be the vertex at which the angle is 90 degrees? So as I said earlier, the longest side is AC. So AC is the hypotenuse. So the vertex opposite to AC, which will be B, will be the right angled vertex. So ABC is a right triangle at the vertex B. And this finally tells us that angle B is 90 degrees. Okay, and this is what we had to find. The value of angle B is what we had to find. So angle B is 90 degrees. So the correct option is option C. And with this, we have completed question number 17. To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.